and a major tourist destination. It is composed of 34 barangays. From its beautiful mountains to its deep bluish seas, it is a rich town filled with abundance of different marine species. Pandan is considered as one of the protected areas here in Antique, where you can find many marine protected areas. These marine protected areas are made to protect the vulnerable species in the ecosystem to conserve and preserve its number. Mr. Camilo have shared his insight about the marine protected areas here in Pandan. He identified the common species, challenges, and issues current in marine ecosystem, and also listed the protocols, rules in protecting the areas. He is the head of Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources in the year of 2015.
Hi Pandan, daliron ka mo sa amon banwa. Banwa i Pandan.
Daliron ka mo kag mantawon ang manami kag marangganon nga amon kay bayon.
To explore the beauty of the beaches of Pandan, you have to ride a tricycle to reach your destination. Barangay Tingib, a white beach, rocky seaside mountains, and abundant species, is one of the marine protected areas, which it has the largest live corals covers with 35%. We are accompanied by BPAT of Barangay Tingib for us to fully observe the live organism lurking in the shallow water. Barnacle crabs are excellent indicator of good water quality and play an important role in nutrient cycling in the marine ecosystem. Banded brittle star are known as seafloor ecosystem engineers, meaning they reshape the sediment shape on the seafloor, which in turn influences the distribution of other seafloor species. Monterey sea lemon. They play an essential role in marine ecosystems by keeping algae populations in check. Snake sea cucumber plays an important role in maintaining ecosystem functioning by recycling organic matter and bioturbating sediments. In this area, a lot of sea cucumber were found which play an important role in nutrient cycling. These marine protected areas are also vulnerable to other issues that cause deaths and illness of different species in the sea. Mussels excrete nutrients that are available to plant life. They are a food source for aquatic and terrestrial animals. Small fishes are also seen swimming around the small ponds of the sea. There are a lot of variety of sea urchin in this area, from black to bright orange. Sea urchin feeds on algae, helps in maintaining the balance between coral and algae. This vast area of big stone filled with little algae are home to different species that is vulnerable to human activities. This rich area can only be seen in low tide and submerged in high tide. Blotch cowries play vital roles in marine ecosystem as herbivores, helping to control algal growth and maintain a healthy balance with coral reef. The MRF or Marine Environment and Natural Resources Foundation partnered with RARE in 2021 made an ecological survey monitoring in marine protected areas of Pandan and Tique. These survey monitoring are used to check if the implemented laws or policies are effective in maintaining the areas. Pandan MPA has 26% live coral cover, and as mentioned, Tingib has the highest live coral cover, 35%. The top 3 families observed were damselfish, surgeonfish, and wrasses. Meanwhile, Patria has 19% coral cover, but it also has the highest algal cover observed, which raised to 62%. The nearby municipal of Sebaste has the same live coral covers as the Pandan MPAs. Irio in Sebaste and Tingib in Pandan registered the highest live coral cover in Antique. Pandan MPAs registered moderately high fish abundant at 400 individuals over 500 meters square. The observed high biomass of the target species across all protected areas indicates the effectiveness of the implementation of marine protected area in the province. One of the main livelihoods of people in this area is fishing. Small to big boats are used to catch fish to sell or to eat. These are the few species found underwater. First is the black nubby sea cucumbers are also involved in the nitrogen cycle of the reef ecosystem. BSES-lllA, they are indicator species, meaning they are offer clues about the health of their environment. Yellow cardinal fish may play an important role in coral reef habitats by eating larvae and parasites that target other fish in the habitat. Sea anemones provide shelter and food for a wide variety of mobile species, including endangered species and habitat specialists. Spawning lionfish. Its ecological roles such as fish that keep algae in check on the reefs. Yellow-striped cardinal fish may play an important role in coral reefs habitats by eating larvae of parasites that target other fish in that habitat. Sea sponges. The sponges filter water, collect bacteria, and process carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus. Lastly is a bubble coral. It plays a vital role in reef building and they have a healthy appetite for small pieces of fish or shrimp. There are 5 main issues in Pandan marine ecosystem. 1. The agricultural runoff. The farm fertilizers cause pollutions to marine species that cause death or poison to their health. Number 2. Pandan is known for its beautiful beaches and resorts, but these resorts can also damage the natural environment of the living species under the sea because of its waste, and sometimes tourists visit the marine protected areas with little knowledge, harming the species and its habitats. 3. Fishing over the marine protected area is a big no. It should be conserved and preserved to avoid loss of species. While some still fish over this area because of its abundance, but they can receive penalties when caught. 4. Human activities are the main problem of our environment, especially in marine ecosystems, where plastics are thrown that cause strangulations on other species and them digesting it. 5. Algal cover or algal blooms is bad for fishes and other species living in the marine ecosystem, as it can block sunlight, reduce oxygen, and reduce the fishes and plants to find foods. Here are some of recommendations to preserve the marine ecosystem of Pandan and Tique according to BFAR officials. First, by maintaining the number of fish who can able to eat algae that has been decaying. This number of fish can help to maintain the balance of marine ecosystem. Second, by putting some marks or signs for our marine protected areas. Third, by considering the widening and huge area of a marine protected areas because it is too small for the fish and other biodiversities to grow more. And last is to solve the problem of soil erosion that causes siltation. It cuts down sunlight for plants, reduces underwater visibility, can bury the plants and species, and it also carries pollutants. As stewards of our nature, do a cleanup drive every weekend with the help of volunteers and officers to promote productivity in the community. Spread awareness and educate the people living around the area, especially those who are living on the coastal area. Report and give penalty to those who fish at the marine protected areas. Recycle plastics to lessen the pollutants and reduce plastic waste. Use social media platforms to bring awareness and give knowledge.